Alrighty guys, it's your boy Kev coming at you here with another exciting video today. In this video, you're certainly going to want to stick around and see the whole video because I've got 3 bonuses coming up for you towards the end of this video. Now what I'm going to show you today is how you can drive traffic to your Clickbank offers, or for that matter it can be any offer that you have. And it's all free traffic and it has to do with solo ads. Alright, stick around. Get on your mark, get ready, get set, go. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. And as I said before, in this video I'm going to show you how you can drive free traffic to your Clickbank offers, or for that matter it can be any offer that you have. You can drive free traffic through what's similarly known as solo ads or solo mails, okay? All for free. This can be done anywhere in the world for free. It doesn't matter where you're at. Alright, so guys, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner, and I'm with kevin-lehner.com. That's my website. And guys, if this is your first time here to my video, or you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, I can't imagine what's keeping you from it. Just reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, with that out of the way, let's go ahead. I'm kind of anxious to show this to you here today. We're going to come over here right now to our favorite Opera browser, and we're going to load it up. And the first site we're going to go to, of course, is Clickbank, because you want to get your product first that you're going to sell, right? Now, it's free to sign up. If you don't have a Clickbank account, it's free to sign up. You just click sign up when you get to the front page at clickbank.com, and you sign up. And then when you get logged into your account, you want to click on up here where it says Marketplace right here. That loads up this page right here, Marketplace, and as you can see down here, there's all kinds of categories of all kinds of products that you have access to sell. Okay, now for this example, you can choose any one of these you want. It doesn't make any difference here, but for this example I'm going to use an affiliate marketing product here, as you can see. And what I've done is come over here, and you can do this too. You want to click on the sort the results by, and you want to choose gravity, and it brings up the hottest products at the top with the highest gravity first, and then working its way down from there. And I'm going to use this particular product right here called the 12-minute affiliate system here, and it says it's a hot offer right now. And you can see the gravity right here is at 222 right now. That means that there are about 222 people marketing this product effectively on the internet right now. Okay, now what I've done is I've clicked on this affiliate link right here, and it brings us over to this page right here, and you can see that they've got email swipes and things like that, which we're going to work with here today. And they've got it tells a little bit about this product, and which you can find on any product, and so on and so forth. This particular product that I'm using in this example for us today here is it has upsells to it. So the initial product costs $9.95, and you'll make 50% commission off of this one here. And then the first upsell is $39, the second is $67, $47 for the third. That's more like a downsell, but also it's a recurring income. It's $47 per month, if you notice here. And then of course the final upsell is $397, and there's 50% commission on each one of these. But for today, what we're going to do is we're not going to get our affiliate link from here. We're going to get it right off of the Clickbank site here. And but for today, what we want to click on here is the email swipes up here, if you see that. If we click on that, and that brings us down, and there's several email swipes that you have right here that you can choose from. Alright, so for this example, we'll just use the top one here. Now, so we have our product. Let's say now we've got the product that we want to market. So how are we going to do that now? What we're going to do is we're going to come over to a site right here called aemailer.com. See it in the address bar right here, aemailer.com. Okay? Now you can create a free account here. Like I said, this is all 100% free, although there is paid on, they got paid upgrades even on this website right here as well. But you want to do is what you want to. Now I've already done this, and they're going to send you an email verification. So you want to put your full name in here. You want to pick a username, and it will tell you whether it's a valid one or it's a good one that's available. And then you want to use a good email address, and then you want to click on the I accept the terms, and then just click sign up. Then they will send you a email confirmation mail that you need to go and confirm your account with. So you want to make sure you click on that, or bring that into a browser and click on that, and that'll bring you over to here, and you will see that it'll ask you to log in with your account. And then when you log in, it will give you to this right here, and as you see, as you said, after you sign up, it'll bring you here, and then you can see the link down here is click the link in your verification email to verify your account. Then after you get logged in, it will, after a few seconds, about 5 seconds, you'll get redirected over, well, where was I at here? You'll get redirected over to this page right here. And then of course, like I said, they have upsells even on this website too, so you can purchase a membership on this site as well. And as you can see right here, it shows you for the free membership, you get you can send an email every 72 hours, so that's at once every 3 days. If you buy the gold membership, it's 48 hours, the platinum membership 24, and the elite, which is the $197 membership lifetime, you can mail every 12 hours. Okay, now the credits that you earn on sign up for the free one is 1,000, and then it goes up from there, as you can see right here on the screen. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on this, and you can see that it goes up. You get 10,000 on the gold, 20 on the platinum, and then on the elite you get 20 or 30,000 credits here. And then it goes on down, you get the credits for clicking on text ads. This is sort of similar to like a traffic exchange site. Okay, I don't know if you guys are familiar with that or not, sort of like that. And you get credits for clicking on ads and banners, and clicking credit emails, solo ads, and earn per referral, which they do have an affiliate program on this site as well. And then your commissions on your affiliates are 20% and all the way up in the different packages that you guys see here. Okay, so now, but for our purposes, what we're going to do is we're just going to go with the free account. Okay, you can get the $90 package today on the next level up, so on. I believe that's the next level up, but I'm not sure. It doesn't really matter. That's for the elite, the VIP. You can get it instead of for 197, you can get it for the 90 today. So that's if you guys want to, you want to buy into this website and be able to mail more frequently and so on and so forth. But what we're going to do is come down here and click this link where it says no thanks, just send me to the AE Mailer members area. And of course they're going to want us to log in again here. And then so in 10 seconds it should redirect us here. And if it will here, we'll see. If it doesn't, there, okay, well, it took us right back here again. How about that? So we're going to come down here again and click this. What's going on here? I'm being blocked here. Probably what's going on. I'm being blocked here by my browser. Click that 3 times. It should. How's come it's not taking us over to the members area? I don't understand this here. Let's see what happens here. I don't get this. It's not working correctly here. Let's come back here again. Sponsor ad. Nope. This they're trying to see they're trying to throw ads at us here before they take us into the says click the button below for more information and get your free credits. I don't want to do that now. I want to get to the members area, so I'm just going to keep clicking this link right here until it takes us past these ads right here. Keep coming back and clicking, and I guess that's just part of what you're getting for free, right? And that's not it either. Keep going. See, we're seeing other people's ads here. We're trying to get to the members area here. I don't know how many times we have to go through this. Tell you what, guys, I'm going to pause this video until I can get to the members area, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, finally made it into the members area. What you're going to have to do is when you click on that link down there, it says no thanks, take me to the members area. It's actually kicking you into other people's ads. That's just the way this site works, because after all, we're getting something for free here, right? So you got to sort of pay the price, I guess, as far excuse me, as far as that goes. Anyways, so what you do is you click the buy now button, and then scroll down to the bottom and just click the there's another link down there that'll allow you to log in. Again, you'll have to redo another password and create your own password, and then click OK with that, and then it'll take you past that and bring you into this area right here. Okay, so you have to make sure that you put in a different email, a different password, and then it'll finally get you over to this area. This is where you want to end up right here. Now, you can earn credits here, like it said in the beginning there, of clicking on ads and so on and so forth. But if you look over here to the left, you see that I have 1,000 credits right here. So see, that's what you get. Like it showed you earlier, you get 1,000 just for signing up here. Now, you can build your credits up by doing watching other people's ads and so on and so forth, and or reading mails or whatever, just like what we're going to send here. Now, there are several thousand people on this site that are members of this site. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on send an email here. Okay? And then it says here, it says you can mail one time every 72 hours because of the free package, right? And then you have one mailing remaining this period. Alright. Alright, so we want to put a subject in, and then in our body of the message, and we're going to put our link in for our affiliate offer here. Alright, so it says here that I can use up to 915 credits. Okay? Then if you have downline members in your affiliates, if you've done affiliate marketing with this site, and you have members underneath you that signed up, you can also send to those too. But we're not interested. We're going to send to the members on this site. Alright, so I'm going to come back to the marketplace here. I'm going to click on promote on our offer right here. And it loads up. Make sure you got your account nickname in here, and you can put a tracking ID optional if you want, but we're going to click on generate our hop link. And you see that our affiliate link for this product is here, the 12-minute affiliate system. So I'll copy that link, and then I'm going to bring it back over here to the mailer where we're set up. And actually first what we need to do, I'm getting ahead of myself here, what we're going to do is get our email in there first, not the affiliate link. So we're going to use this top email swipe here right now. What we're going to do is we're going to highlight the subject of the mail, and then we're going to copy that, and then we're going to paste that in to the message subject line right here. Okay, there's the subject to it, and then we're going to come back to our email swipe here, and we're going to copy the rest of this right here. Okay, and then come back here, and then we will just paste that right into here. What you're going to do here is you're going to back this out right here, or actually that right there, and we will clear this out right here, and I'll just put my name in right here, and then we'll put our affiliate link in right here. So we're going to come back, and I'm going to get another affiliate link here for this. Alright, highlight that, copy it, bring it back over here, and then we're going to paste that affiliate link in right there. Okay, and then we will also do it right down here where it says site URL. Okay, now the amount of credits that we'll use, we've got 915 credits here, you see. So I'm just going to put in 900. Okay, so what that means, it's going to mail to 900 people this offer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on send. Says your link is being tested. We'll see if it breaks frames, which it didn't. As you see, it brings them right over here to the sales page. Alright, says your message has been queued and will send to 900 members. So see guys, the more credits you have, the more members that you can send your email to or your offer to. Nevertheless, that's 900 people. It's a very high chance that we'll get some sales out of this. Okay, like I said, this can be done with any offer that you have. Okay, and it says we can mail again on the 26th, 3 days from now. All right, and then you can click here to see the stats of your email, and then you can see right here that this is the day, today's when we mailed it. You see our link right here, and you see that it's sent to 900 people. And then you can even come here and check it, and you can see how many clicks have happened on your link. So if we click on this right here, you can see that it does take them over to our offer with our affiliate link right in that offer right there. Okay? Alrighty guys, well that's what I wanted to show you on that. That's how you can get free traffic to your Clickbank or any offer that you want. Now, what about the other 3 bonuses I wanted to show you on this too? Alright, the first bonus is another site similar to this one, as you see right here. Free safe list mailer. You can come here, do the same thing. Look here, this site has 46,000, almost 47,000 members that you can mail your offer to on your Clickbank offer or whatever offer you have. Same thing here. You'll click here. It's free to join and free to sign up and free to send your email of your offer to these active members here. Same thing here as this. The second bonus is this site right here. The same situation. ActiveSafeList.com. As you see up here, this site here was free safe list. Look in the address bar up here. It's freesafelist.com. You see that? This one here is ActiveSafeList.com. You see that right up here in the address bar. Same thing here. You can join for free, as you see right here. Sign up or click here, free to join, and they have 14,000 members on this site that you can send your offer to. Guys, as you can see, the traffic is building up here, and you can send your offer to lots of people on these 3 sites that I just showed you. AE Mailer, Free Safe List, Mailer.com, and ActiveSafeList.com. You can do the same thing on these other 2 sites as well. Now, the third bonus I wanted to tell you. If you guys are tired of fooling around with low ticket offers like Clickbank and these types of things, and you want to get involved in making big money or bigger money, then you want to click on that link that you see right there at the top of your video, where it says mentorwithkev.com down there. It's the top link in my description. Click on that, come over, check out a real business. Now, warning to you on this, that this is only for serious people only, because this business will and can change your life if you apply yourself to it. Alright, so reach down there and click Mentor with Kev. Come over and check out my #1 rated business and completely change your life, where you can make up to $4,000 in one day versus $55 per sale here. Alrighty guys, not that this is bad, but this just can get better for you if you check out my #1 top rated business there. Come over and take a look at that, see what you think of it, sign up to my list, go in and take a look at that business and see what all is offered for you in there. Think you're going to like it. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and got some value from it. And also, I'll make sure that you also comment down there in the comments if you got any questions or any comments about this video, and I'll be glad to help you out. Okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go. I'll see you again here real soon on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.